Welcome to Painting on Watercolor channel. I'm Jung. I try to make this channel for people to be painting easier no matter where they live in the world. Today we are going to be painting White Daisy. This is a simple drawing. Light is coming from the top of left side. First step is apply water on whole paper except flowers. Putting the color of indigo on background. I'm gonna use wet on wet technique. Be careful, the indigo color does not get into the petals. So I wanna leave white petals. I'm adding dark indigo. I'm adding bright violet into indigo colors. Use Raphael Round 3 matte brushes. I'm adding paint center of the flowers with a bit of yellow. And then taking a little bit of violet, adding around the center of flowers. Drag the line from center toward out under each petal. Taking some indigo and I'm adding around the center of flowers. Move to the bud, baby flowers. This is a kind of green. I'm cleaning the petals now. Drag the line from center toward out, or drag the line from out toward center. Next, this is the shadow. This is final touch-up. This is my old painting. I used the same colors and same techniques. Today painting is very simple. I used only 4 colors: indigo, violet, yellow, little bit of sap green. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.